Hey, what's going on, guys? Right now, I am currently flashing in the GPI two-step module for my Camaro, thankfully, because I am going racing tomorrow. And we did actually just get back from a 40-mile trip with the wheels and tires and everything, and it was flawless. So I just want to make a quick video to show you guys how I got the two-step to work and what my car sounds like on the two-step, because I think that's going to be pretty sick. So as soon as I get this thing flashed, I'll get back up with you guys, and I'll see you in a second. Alrighty, guys, so I just got the GPI two-step module hooked up, and I got it in track mode, and it's a 5,000 RPM limiter. So I'm going to put my foot on the clutch, hit the set button, let go of it, and I'm just going to hit the gas, and it should find its way to hold at 5,000. Hold on, I didn't do it hard enough. That thing has to sound sick from the outside.